Happy 4th of July. Let's blow up some stuff. Don't try this at home. Woo! 6 coming out of the underworld. Oh gosh. Smoke. It's ugly. Yeah, I think that's ugly. Yeah. Ooh. It smells bad. Bad. Like really bad. It's like it's growing out of the ground. And it's grody. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and make sure to watch more TV. Bye. Fidget Wild. Oh. Okay. Bye. So I'm just thinking it would be funny if I did a voiceover over this. I said
Watch
over
more
twice.
TV.
I mean, this is gonna sound really weird.
I'm the flying
I'm
narwhal,
probably gonna
yo.
do a lot of videos like this. So
Why
get
did you
used to
say
it.
yo? Ugh.